Hey, welcome back to our channel, my fellow YouTubers. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We are going to uncover the secrets behind YouTube automation and how you can turn your channel into a cash cow. So grab a notepad and pen because you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's jump right in and learn how to milk the YouTube platform for all it's worth. But before starting the video, I want to share with you that whatever we will earn from this video, we are going to donate 9% of our total earnings to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated in India by the end of 2034. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you will gain anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Your contribution will help some unprivileged children to be educated, and that would be a great support from your end. Let's give this video series a thumbs up by subscribing to our channel. Now let's come to the topic. Here in this third video of the How to YouTube Automation series, we will cover topics like number 1, what exactly is Cash Cow YouTube channel? Number 2, how does the YouTube algorithm work? Number 3, introduction to making money with YouTube automation. Guys, stick to this video till the end as we are going to tell you the most exciting and hot topics. How can you make money by using YouTube automation? But for now, let's dive into our first topic. What is the Cash Cow YouTube channel? Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a cash cow channel? Well, simply put, it's a channel that consistently generates a significant income for its creator. These channels have cracked the code to YouTube's success and have found a way to monetize their content effectively in order to make money when they're asleep. But how do they do it? Let's find out. The first step towards creating a cash cow YouTube channel is choosing the right niche. It's essential to find a topic that you are passionate about, but it's equally important to ensure that there's a demand for that content. So you should conduct thorough research to identify popular niches and trends that will align with your interests. Remember, the more specific and target your niche is, the easier it will be to attract and engage your audience. Next up, let's talk about the importance of producing high-quality content. In the saturated world of YouTube, standing out from the crowd is crucial. Invest in good equipment such as cameras, microphones, and lighting to enhance the production value of your videos. Focus on delivering value to your viewers, whether it's through educational tutorials, entertaining vlogs, or inspiring storytelling. Also, consistently create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Building a cash cow YouTube channel goes beyond just uploading videos. You also need to foster a strong connection with your audience. And for that, respond to comments, engage with your viewers on social media platforms, and create a sense of community. Engage your viewers to subscribe, like, and share your videos. The more engaged your audience is, the higher the chances of your content being recommended to new viewers, resulting in increased views and potential earnings. Moving further, let's talk about money. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel and turn it into a cash cow. The most common method is through Google AdSense, where you allow advertisements to be displayed on your videos and earn revenue based on ad views and clicks. Additionally, you can explore brand partnerships, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and even crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon. Diversify your income streams to maximize your earning potential. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, consistency, and dedication. Don't be discouraged by initial slow growth. Keep pushing forward and continue to improve your content. Now, moving ahead to the most important topic of the video, which is how does the YouTube algorithm work? So, if you are willing to create a cash cow channel, you need to understand the inner workings of the YouTube algorithm. It's like a gatekeeper that decides which videos get recommended to viewers. The algorithm takes into account various factors such as watch time, engagement, keywords, and audience retention. Actually, it's a complex system that determines the content that is recommended to users on the platform. While the specific details of the algorithm are not publicly disclosed by YouTube, here are some general factors that are believed to influence how exactly the algorithm works. Number 1. Relevance. The algorithm tries to show videos that are relevant to a user's interests and preferences. It takes into account factors such as the user's viewing history, search queries, and engagement with previous videos. Number 2. Watch time. The algorithm considers how much time users spend watching a video. Videos that have higher watch times are more likely to be recommended to others. This metric emphasizes the importance of creating engaging content that keeps viewers engaged for longer periods. Number 3. Engagement metrics. The algorithm looks at various engagement metrics such as likes, dislikes, comments, and shares. Higher engagement indicates that a video is resonating with viewers and can contribute to its visibility in the recommendations. Number 4. Click-through rate, CTR. CTR measures the number of times users click on a video after seeing it in their recommendations or search results. Higher CTR suggests that the video's thumbnail, title, and description are compelling and relevant to users' interests. Number 5. User feedback. Feedback from users in the form of surveys, feedback forms, and reports of spam or inappropriate content helps YouTube improve the algorithm and identify potential issues. Guys, it's important to note that the algorithm is constantly evolving and being updated. YouTube regularly tests and refines its algorithms to provide users with the most relevant and engaging content. Now let's discuss the most pulling topic of the video, which is Introduction to Making Money with YouTube Automation. Now that you understand the algorithm, it's time to explore the power of YouTube automation. Automation involves using tools and strategies to streamline your content creation process and maximize your revenue. Making money with YouTube automation actually means utilizing various tools, strategies, and techniques to generate income from a YouTube channel by automating certain aspects of the content creation and monetization process. While YouTube automation can help streamline your workflow and increase efficiency, it's important to note that it's still necessary to create high-quality content and build an engaging audience. Here are some key steps to get started with making money through YouTube automation. Number 1. Channel setup. Begin by creating a YouTube channel and setting it up with a compelling name, logo, and banner. Ensure your channel is visually appealing and reflects the niche or topic you plan to focus on. Number 2. Niche selection. Choose a specific niche or topic for your channel. This allows you to target a specific audience, which can lead to more engaged subscribers and higher earning potential. Research popular niches, identify your interests and expertise, and find a balance between audience demand and your passion. Number 3. Content creation. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your niche and target audience. Plan and create high-quality videos on a regular schedule. Consider using YouTube automation tools to help with tasks such as video editing, thumbnail creation, and video uploading, which can save your time and effort. Number 4. Audience engagement. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging viewers to subscribe and share your content. Building a loyal and engaged community is crucial for long-term success on YouTube. Number 5. Monetization options. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your videos. This enables you to earn money through various monetization methods such as ads, channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelves. Automate the monetization process by integrating relevant ads, optimizing keywords, and using tools that analyze and optimize your revenue. Number 6. Sponsorships and brand collaborations. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorship opportunities or collaborations with brands. Automation tools can help manage negotiations, contracts, and deliverables for such partnerships. Number 7. Analytics and optimization. Regularly analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics, identify trends, understand viewer preferences, and optimize your content strategy based on the data. Automation tools can help automate the process of data analysis and provide insight for better decision making. Number 8. Diversify revenue streams. Explore additional revenue streams such as merchandise sales, crowdfunding platforms, online courses, or sponsored content on other reduced platforms for dependence on YouTube's ad revenue alone. Remember, YouTube automation can only assist with certain tasks. Creating valuable content, building an engaged audience, and consistently improving your content quality is essential for long-term success. And that wraps up our video on creating a cash cow YouTube channel. Finally, we explored the world of YouTube automation, which allows creators to streamline their processes and increase their revenue potential. But remember, success on YouTube takes time and dedication, but with the right strategies and tools, you can achieve your goals. I hope you liked this third video of the How to YouTube Automation series and found these insights helpful and informative in your journey towards YouTube success. The links to the previous 2 videos of this series are already mentioned in the description box. You may watch those videos to get an in-depth knowledge of YouTube automation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for tuning into our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative and helpful. We suggest you read 3 books mentioned in the description. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep milking that YouTube platform and turning your dreams into reality.